All right. Well, I'm a student and I've been sitting at my desk for about the last 6 months with everything gone down in quarantine. Could definitely use a bit of an adjustment for sure.
You're in the right place. I'm gonna get you face down. Alright, so you are very tight through there and through there. And through there. More the left than the right. We're going to bend both knees up. And bending way better on the right than the left. Straight knee. Can you raise the right leg in the air as high as it'll go? Good. And drop that down. Try the other one. Yeah. Alright, it gets there. And then I'll bend you up here. Hold that there for me. That's no good. Try that again. Hold. Good. And one more. Good. Switch your legs and hold. So no hamstrings on either side. Same thing. Better. Can you raise the whole leg up? And hold. No glutes. And hold. And hold. And that helps. And then I'll switch you. And hold. No glute. And then same thing. Bring that up. Hold. And that helps. So I am going to get you turned facing over here. Good. Good. Perfect, and then I'll get you facing over the other side. Get you up here. Perfect. Good. And let that out. Good. And then I'll get you back face down for me. Perfect. And then this time, hold that there for me. Good. Hamstring works. Hamstring works. Whole leg up. Glute works. And glute works. Perfect. All right. Now, here is still tight. Deep breath in for me. Out. Good. Same thing here. Breath in. Out. It's going up. Also tight. Good. Nice. Good. One last one here. Yep. There it is. Good. Now, QLs are still having fun, so we're going to Now, did the football team even practice at all this year, or was it completely dead?
No, they practice all of you.
Did you practice with them at all, or are we done?
No, they did not.
Done. Yeah.
There was word that they were going like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then they do like filming meetings on Saturday, Sunday.
Fair enough. I mean, retiring on top isn't too bad either. Well, there's that. Well, exactly. If you're not going to play next season, then you might as well just retire. Not put up with the year's worth of practice. I'm going to get you on your back for me. Let's go down. Thank you. That's not happy. And that's more jammed up. So, start up here. That's also not happy. Do some pin and stretch. I'm gonna bring it over. Oh, that hurts. Let me know if it's too much. But yeah, typically it's not a fun experience. This one won't be so bad. Yeah, nice and easy. Ribs jammed in there too, actually. So, one more breath in. Out. There we go. Good. Perfect. We're going to come down, we're going to check the feet out. Good. And then pull the feet up. Good. One by one, up and in. I'm going to try and bring it down and out. Same thing. Good. Keep the toes up. Good. Push the feet apart into me. And then together. Good. All right. And then I will get you sitting back up for me. We got you here. We're going to check through the shoulders. So I'm going to borrow you here. Bring it back. Good. Little jam there, tight.
I mean, I separated my AC joint a while ago.
Fair enough. I do remember that. That's happier though. Oops. Tight there. And there. Good. 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 And then just quick, can you go pinky and thumb together for me? Other pinky. There you go. Squeeze. Squeeze. Good. So we'll get a closer shot of that. Good. Squeeze. Shake that out. Right. And then, sorry, squeeze. That changed really quickly. So hold. Challenge the wrist. Hold. Good. Gently shake that out. Pinky and thumb back together. Squeeze. Good. So relax. Here we'll adjust the wrist. Pressure's okay there?
Yep.
Good. And then shake that out. Pinky and thumb together. Good. And then I'll switch you. So pinky and thumb together. Squeeze. And we'll challenge and squeeze. Good. So relax. Sorry. Good. Quiet. And then squeeze. There it is. Good.
Yeah, it feels good. Much better.
Good. Perfect.